What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So if you are using a Nothing Phone 1 and for some reason if you open up your phone dialer and if you check out your contacts, if you see nothing is here, let's say you had a contact, you had a couple of contacts, but right now your contact got disappeared or your contact is missing and then you're looking for a way to get them all back and get all this contact that you had before on your Nothing Phone 1, then you want to watch the entire video to learn an easy way to just recover contact right on your phone. Now, if you just go ahead and take a look at the process from the Nothing support, they already provided some of the valuable information here. So what you're going to do here, we're going to merge all the things and we're going to make it in a video format so that you can understand it better and you can solve your problem at the same time. So let's get started. Your contact can get disappeared when you have problem with the software. So first, all you gotta do, guys, just go ahead and open up your settings and scroll down here and you gotta come to the Google section. Just go ahead and tap on your Google. Make sure to sign up with your Google account where you saved all your contact to your Google account. So let me just add my Google account here. Alright guys, now once you added back your Google account to your device here, simply get out of here and take a look at it. Well, if you found out there is no contact available on your device here, then all you want to do, you want to come exactly the same spot here. This time around, you want to scroll down there and you want to tap on setting up for Google app. Once you open this app here, you will see this option called Google Contact Sync. Just go ahead and tap on there, and now here are a couple of things that you gotta do. First, just go ahead and tap on starting the sync. Make sure to enable this automatic sync feature from here. Now get back here, also just enable this option called backup and sync. In case if you want to just save all of your contacts to your Google account, just enable that here. Now get out of here and check your problem. Now if you have saved all the contact to your Google account, well, after that, you'll be able to see all the contact is going to come back right on your device. But let's say there are some of the contacts still missing. Now, if you want to just find out some of the missing contacts on your device here, well, this time you want to follow one little way. Just go ahead and open up your browser on your device here. Now go ahead and type contacts.google.com. This is going to come right over here, and now this is going to ask you to enter your Google account. Just simply go ahead and tap on continue as whatever the Google account that you're currently using here. Now once you did that, it is going to redirect you to the contact page from the Google account. Now once you come over here, the first thing that you of course have to do, if you see all those contacts are here but some of those contacts are not available here, then you want to just tap on this three dot and then you want to scroll down here and tap on trash. And now this is going to show you all this contact that recently got deleted. Now of course you're going to get all this contact that you have deleted from your Google account mistakenly, and you're going to get to see all this contact from here. Now if you found those contacts that you were finding or that you can't find on your device here, all you want to do is just go ahead and tap on this name of this contact here, and then you have to just merge them all and tap on recover, and now your contacts are going to be recovered, and after that you'll be able to see your contact is going to be available right on your device. So these are the ways that you guys can follow right away on a Nothing Phone 1 to solve your contacts are missing, or this is how you guys can literally recover your contact at the same time. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.